In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own personal AI agent for free. We're going to use Hermes desktop, connect a free model route, and give it one real task. I'm using a public job posting and a version of my resume with private details removed, of course. And by the end, Hermes should give me a summary of how I fit the role, what is missing or unclear, an email subject, and a draft email that I can check before I send it. Now, what is Hermes agent? Think about a normal chatbot first. You can ask it a question and it gives you an answer in the chat. Well, Hermes can do more than that. It can help you with a task using the files and tools you choose to give it access to. For example, I can give it a public job post and my resume, then ask it to help me make a draft email. Though I still have to check the answer before I use it. The AI model is the part that writes and thinks. You might already know names like DeepSeek, GPT, GLM, Fable 5. Hermes is the app that lets me choose a model, choose what tools it can use, and give it a task. That is why you need to be careful. If you let an agent use files or tools, it can make mistakes, just like any other AI. I decide what it can access, and I check the final results. You might hear people talk about AI memory, self-improving agents, or connecting an agent to apps like Notion, and those are separate setups. I'm keeping this first video simple. And Hermes agent also has some of that already built in, which is great for us. Now, let's get it set up. So, I'm installing Hermes on another laptop for this tutorial so you can see a clean setup. You don't need another laptop or virtual machine to use Hermes. I'm only using a separate device so my personal accounts and files stay off the recording here. First, this is a brand new browser, that's why I'm using Bing. And just search Hermes agent and make sure you are on the official Naos Research source before downloading anything. And then just click download for Windows. Now, once that's done, click open file and then just click install Hermes. So it's gonna do like a bunch of things like install things on your computer, but just let it be. So the download might take a little bit, like quite a few minutes. So yeah, I'll be back in a few minutes. So don't worry about these things popping up. They're fine. As you can see, it took its sweet time creating this desktop app. So more likely, you'll really have to wait and maybe grab some snacks or coffee first, or just install this right after you wake up so that it's installed once. Oh, it's installed now. So let's just click launch. I guess it's starting. So we're now here in the Hermes desktop. So let's just try chatting with it first. Hello. And as you can see, there's a setup screen. Looks like we really just have to wait. Now, there are free models on the Naos portal, just like right here. But you're gonna need a card for it. You're gonna need a card to sign up. So what I do recommend is click the other providers. It's not here. Just click I have an API key and look for now I want you to go in your browser and search Kilo Gateway, and I want you to click on the get API key and get started for free. Then just sign in on Google or whatever account you want. So once you're done signing up, or if you already have an account, then signing in, just scroll down till you find that API key and grab it. Now I want you to go back to your Hermes desktop and put the API key on it. There we go. And then you click connect. Now, of course, these are the paid models. So we're gonna have to change or just search free and it will show you the free models it offers. Now, I'm gonna be using Tencent HY3 for free, but soon I think they're gonna be removing it. And if they do remove it, just use step 3.7 flash or Nemotron 3 Ultra. It just depends on you. Just try those models out first. But for now, we'll be using Tencent HY3. And then click begin. Now, so we just messaged this Hermes agent earlier, and nothing seems to happen because we haven't provided any models for it. So let's just create a new session and just say, yeah, hello. So yeah, we'll just have to wait whether our API key works or not. So at this point, we can get started with anything. So this video is just an installation guide and me showing you how to use Hermes agent on a surface level. As for the settings, you can explore some of these. You can change the appearance. Hermes has a lot of features. That's why I'll just explain them in the next video. But for today, you're free to explore whatever you want. But yeah, let's get started with the sample job application. So I just copied my resume, then just grab a random job posting and just gonna paste it here also. This is the job posting. As this is a free model, we can just change the reasoning to hide. Let's just change that to hide. And then I just prepared a simple prompt for me to paste here, like read this public job post and my resume, tell me how my experience fits this role, and then just send the, and as you can see, it does the work by opening the website. So it fails by opening those two, right? So as you can see, it tries to fix itself. The browser tool is not set up, no Chrome installed, so it'll try to fetch it on another way. So let's see if it does work. So it is definitely is taking its time fixing itself. Damn, it works. As you can see, it did have the full job posting. It just fixes itself right there. So Hermes is very powerful. You just need to find a way, or you just need a specific goal for it to achieve. And as you can see, your profile, oopsie, those are my personal information. So the response is still streaming, and yeah, like it is very detailed. And yeah, as you can see, we have the email subject and draft, and also they have. So yeah, guys, that's it. But let's say, for example, I'm just gonna show you one more practical use cases for Hermes, which is like transcribing a video and then basically just asking it to watch it for you. I'm gonna copy this YouTube link. It's gonna be my video. Hey, or actually, I'm gonna create a new session. Then, can you watch this video and what is it all about? And let's just create another session while we're at it. Because I want to show you that Hermes agent has its own memory. So let's just say, who am I? It is gonna remember things from our last session. Hopefully, it did remember it. It did not learn from anything. Yikes. So let's just ask, keep this in your memory. It's doing true calls, and then let's just ask, who am I again? So that's why I'm saying Hermes agent has its own limits. But as you can see, based on my memory, your poll, oh my days, my number. And by the way, while we're talking about those memory things, I asked it to watch a video, and as you can see, oh, it couldn't pull the transcript. Let's say, for example, the agent can't find a way for it to fix things for you, or the agent can't find a way to fix itself. Just ask something, what is the fastest way to get the transcript? Because it couldn't get the transcript. See, as you're using Hermes agent, it learns things, and you also learn new things. That's why I really recommend people to have their own AI agent or AI personal assistant. Yeah, I don't know what it is actually doing, but Yeah, let's just watch it on how Hermes fixes it. So there we go. So the fastest reliable way to get the transcript is to use a tool. So it did find a way to install to grab the captions and yeah, I mean that's just it. Feel free to explore Hermes agent yourself. But if you want follow-up videos, I can show more practical use cases like building a simple personal knowledge base in Notion, tracking jobs, and an affiliate marketing based on the knowledge base that I'm going to be teaching, or a deeper comparison of free AI models. Now comment what you want Hermes to help you with next and subscribe for more practical AI videos. Thanks for watching, guys.